Look at these bananas. There's a living creature inside some of them that you've probably already eaten. 99% sure you ate those bugs. But what state was the banana in which these creatures emerge? Ripe banana with dark or yellow skin. Today, we will discover yes. Have you already eaten them, or have you never eaten bananas? Like this, very ripe bananas with the peel already quite dark. Let's find out if that's where the bug is. I'm going to peel the banana and see what you eat inside. Look what I found. Look what I found right here. If you ate a very ripe banana, you already ate this along with it. But what is this? Have you eaten bananas at this stage? Ripe banana, quite sweet and juicy. Could it be that he has something alive inside him? I found a hidden bug, but what will this be? It goes into our stomach. I want to find out what I've already eaten inside these bananas without knowing it, whether they're alive or not. And what creatures can appear in these bananas. Attention, this video is 100% real, and these creatures appear on any species of banana that exists in the world. Have you eaten bananas like this? In this state, they are widely used in juices and vitamins and have an incredible flavor. But is there something else inside them? None of those bananas are rotten. They're just ripe and ready to eat. I've already eaten a lot of them in our vitamin smoothies. Oh my God. I can't believe what I'm seeing. We use these bananas to make vitamins. My God, I can't see them with the naked eye, just through the microscope. They are alive, they are many, and they are moving in all directions. Notice that you can't see without the microscope. I'm trying very hard, but I can't see with the microscope alone. I can see they are the same color as the banana, and this is a regular supermarket banana. You eat banana, so it's ripe and still fit for consumption. Let's find out what's inside. All the bananas are ready for consumption, some more ripe than others, but none of them are rotten. They are bananas, which are used in daily life, in vitamins, juices, and desserts. What do you think this is? What's really inside this banana? If you know, please comment, since I didn't expect to find something like this here. There's something there. Look what that was. Something moved and I can't say what it was, but I saw it move. You eat banana in this state, you just have to remove the peel and eat it. It's perfect. But there's something inside. The state of this banana is used a lot in all homes for vitamins, and to eat it naturally is quite common. Let's see if there's anything alive inside him. We can see that it is a perfect banana, beautiful and healthy, but on the inside. This is wonderful. Thank God I didn't find anything about this banana, but maybe there are the others. This banana is consumed by 90% of people as it is here. Let's find out what's inside her. In my house, this banana is consumed a lot. This way we peel the peel and eat it, so I'm going to try to find something inside it. Will there be anything alive here? I'm gonna try to find something inside her. There will be something alive here now, my friends. Everyone has already eaten. Then let's find out what we'll find inside her. I think you're ready for our hour. Don't freak out, folks. This is just a banana string. Let's stay calm. I have been looking for more than 20 minutes. I will review every detail because I know this is important to you, that you are watching me. Great news! I didn't find anything alive inside this banana. Now let's find out what these creatures are. I need to catch these creatures. I'm gonna set up a trap to find out who they are and why they're there. Inside the banana, I will use paper, a glass jar, and banana as bait. With a sheet of paper, I will create a cone and leave only a small opening for the bug to enter. And that's the size of the short hole. Pieces of duct tape. I put the banana bait, put the cone in the mouth of the glass jar, and then I'll leave it here. For a few hours, I managed to capture these little creatures, so we'll find out who they are and why they do this to bananas. I'm going to analyze the bait, and it's infested with these creatures. Here you can see their cock, but who are they really? Look at the speed at which they move in the banana. They are quite fast, and their coloring is camouflaged in the banana, preventing you from seeing them. It's a very effective technique for hiding from predators like birds. However, we humans end up eating them. These little larvae are from a tiny creature here known as the fruit fly or Drosophila melanogaster. This species is small, reproduces quickly, and loves ripe bananas. However, it can be dangerous for our health. The fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster is a common pest on bananas. Its life cycle begins with eggs deposited in the fruit where the larvae develop. Consuming infested bananas can result in gastrointestinal diseases to prevent infestations. Storing bananas in cool places, sanitizing the fruits before consumption, and avoiding exposure to flies are effective measures. Regular inspection and disposal of damaged fruit are also important practices. Do not stop eating bananas, since bananas are a perfect food, but avoid consuming them. Bananas too ripe. There are other fruits, vegetables, and legumes that have little creatures. If you want to watch it, just subscribe and share the video that I will soon bring here to the channel.